What's shaking? Seth at UpGood coming at you with another installment of our cooking series. Now, if you missed our last episode, you'll notice that I've got on a cooking sucks shirt. And the reason I have this on is because a lot of people feel this way, unfortunately. And, however, we're on a mission to change that. Now, the first two things that you can do, the simplest, easiest ways to make cooking suck less, are as follows. 1. Get yourself an Amazon Alexa. Now, before you laugh, let me tell you why. Amazon Alexa is awesome in the kitchen. You can do things like, Alexa, how many teaspoons in a tablespoon? Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes. Alexa, tell me a great recipe for chicken tacos. And my favorite, Alexa, play some awesome 90s music. Boom! I love to have music playing in the background while I'm cooking because it makes it more fun and it makes it more relaxing. Now, the best part of this video today, and the second thing you can put in your kitchen to make it work, wine. Now, the first off here, all of these options are decent wines, and I said decent because they're not good because all of them are all under 20 bucks. The first one is Trader Joe's Charles Shaw Blend, also known as 2-Buck Chuck, but now it costs about $3. Oh well. And if you don't have a Trader Joe's around you, you're probably screwed, but that's why we've got some different options. Next up, Josh, pretty good. Guenoc, you know it. House wine. And last but not least, good old box of wine, baby. Yes. Now, let me tell you why I like this. When you open up a bottle, this thing is going to last you a couple days. When you open up this box, you've got stays fresh for 6 weeks after opening. What? Plus, there's 4 bottles in here. 4. That means you can come home and drink wine all the time. Now, wine is awesome. And how does it affect my cooking performance? Let me tell you. When you're sitting at work and you're stressing about having to come home and cook and you're thinking that cooking is a chore, it's not. Because what you should really be thinking about is, ooh, when I get home, I'm going to have a glass of wine and make that your reward. That gives you something to look forward to. That way you're not stressing out about cooking. You're looking forward to it because you get to go home and have a glass of wine or 2 or 3 or 4, whatever floats your boat. These are some awesome options. Now, those are the 2 kitchen things you can implement to increase your cooking performance yesterday. Alexa, play my favorite jam. Whoa.